If you want to add your driver's license or state-issued ID to Apple Wallet and show it right from your iPhone when needed, here's how to do it. First, open the Wallet app. If you can't find it, the easiest way is to swipe down and search for it. Once you're in the Wallet app, tap the plus and choose Driver's License and ID cards from the list. As of now, not all states and countries support this feature, so you can only do this if your state is listed here. They're adding more all the time, so if yours isn't there yet, check back later. I'm in California, so I'll choose that. My screen recording blocks the view to my camera, but basically you'll need to scan both the front and back of your physical card, then take a selfie so Apple can verify it's really you. First, I take pictures of my license, verify that they're good and clear enough to read. Then I was asked for a live photo, which is basically a selfie or a video selfie, I guess, since it tells you that your iPhone captures 2.5 seconds before and after the photo. This all feels kind of strange, but it's a security tool, making sure someone isn't signing up by using a photograph of you. For my California driver's license, it also required me to do additional verifications by following the instructions and doing things like smiling on command or nodding my head or blinking. Again, felt very strange to follow these instructions, but I guess it's all to make the process more secure and avoid any misuse. Basically, they're just making sure it's really you signing up, and not just someone pretending to be you. After the verifications, you'll review your info, authenticate with Face ID one more time, then read the terms and conditions, approve them, and you'll get a message saying verification is in progress. In my case, it took about 5 minutes, and then I got a notification saying my state ID was ready to use. When you need to show your license, it works similar to using Apple Pay. You can use it at TSA-approved airport security, ID checks, or wherever IDs are accepted. Double-tap the power button to open Wallet, select your license, and hold the top of your iPhone or the display of your Apple Watch near the identity reader. You don't need to hand over your phone or a physical copy. If you lose your phone, rest easy. The license is protected by the same Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode that locks your iPhone, so no one else can grab your digital ID. That's how you add your driver's license to Apple Wallet and present it in a safe, private, and very iPhone-native way.